Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com. Today I'm happy to present to you 5106 East Earl Young Road. We're on Bloomington's north side on 5 acres. Let's take a look. This beautiful 1.5 story has wonderful millwork, beautiful hardwood flooring, beautiful solid wooden doors, and a beautiful formal entry. The great room has wonderful south light that expands the space of this great room, beautiful hardwood flooring, into the remodeled kitchen and to the dining room with built-in. This kitchen is perfect for entertaining in the great room. It has a beautiful, tasteful remodel with quartz, new appliances, and beautiful cabinetry with coordinating backsplash. The quality touches include solid hardwood flooring that has been refinished, transoms above the windows, beautiful china cabinet that was built into the wall, plus a good flow from the kitchen into the laundry area. Primary bedrooms on the main level has a spa bath, walk-in dressing room, and beautiful views of the mature trees. There are 4 total bedrooms in this home. The 3 upper level bedrooms are enormous. They have great dormer features and wonderful storage. The 4th bedroom is the largest. It has great skylights and outside access, plus it could be a great recreation or a media space. The upper level dormer space has been finished out and is great for off-season storage. This pampered home is beautiful on the inside and on the outside. You're surrounded by mature trees on 5 acres. Plus, there's a separate driveway for a 1,200 square foot outbuilding that could also be recreation space, storage, or hobby space. The storage capacity is fantastic in this 1,200 square foot building that has a small office space, plus great light. We're located on the south part of the property, and the little separate driveway is perfect for extra automobiles. This property has wonderful rarities. You have a small pond, plus a separate driveway that goes back to the outbuilding. The pond is also on the south side of the property and is mostly with this home. The birds and the frogs are loving it here today. Thanks for enjoying this video of 5106 East Earl Young Road. I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com at FC Tucker Realtors.